To start up the AMD, you will need one 9-volt battery, and the onboard 11.1 lithium polymer batteries should be fully charged. Connect the 9-volt battery. Connect the lithium polymer charging plugs to the battery monitors. Ensure proper orientation of the charging plugs to get appropriate monitoring of the batteries. You should see 3CS to indicate 3 cells are monitored. Connect the outside lithium polymer battery to the motor adapter board. Connect the inside battery to the MyRio. Autonomous Metal Detector startup begins. MyRio includes broadcasting its own Wi-Fi network. This is how the controller program communicates with AMD. The rover program is already loaded on MyRio and executes on startup. The status of startup is indicated by LEDs. The first LED, LED 0, indicates gyro calibration is in progress. The program takes the average of 10,000 samples and uses the result as the gyro error. This value is then removed from subsequent readings to minimize sensor drift. The second LED, LED 1, indicates compass calibration. The rover motors are operated in opposite directions to turn the vehicle in place approximately 2 revolutions. The data collected is used to determine the scale and offset factors to provide accurate compass heading information. The third LED, LED 2, indicates a 30-second pause to allow for a more accurate GPS fix. This GPS fix establishes the initial location estimate. When the fourth LED is lit, the rover is waiting for the controller to connect. Startup is complete. From the device running the controller program AMD, the first step is to connect to the MyRio generated Wi-Fi network. After the connection is made, run the executable program AMD. This opens the front panel for the controller main VI and provides the interface for operating the rover. To manually control the rover, press Define Area. Note the Power Off button is replaced with Set Waypoint, Clear Waypoint, and Done buttons. Rate of turn and speed controls are also enabled. To move the rover, select the desired speed and rate of turn. The rover can turn with a speed set to 0. The current location estimate and starting location are shown in the upper left of the display. Immediately below are the rover's course and cardinal heading. The location, waypoint, and detection counters are next. Location and waypoint counters refer to the same list of coordinates. This list consists of a maximum of 16 coordinate locations. The 17th location added to the list overwrites the first, and the first position is position 0. The location counter indicates the position on the waypoint list set as the target destination. The waypoint counter indicates the position on the waypoint list that is the next to be overwritten. The detection counter indicates the next position on a separate detection list to record coordinate locations of metal detected. This also serves to indicate the number of detections that have been made, as this list does not roll over. Up to 7,984 detection locations may be recorded, and a scan in progress will be automatically interrupted when this limit is reached. The rate of turn and speed controls may be operated by click and drag, using the increment-decrement buttons, or entering a value in the number field. Selecting Reinitialize to Default Value from the drop-down menu is a quick method of returning to 0. In the center of the display are the detection location list and the map. The detection location list will not be used in this presentation. The map displays locations in GPS coordinates, that is, in degrees, latitude, and longitude. The items displayed on the map are the start location, the estimated location, waypoints, and detection locations. On the right side of the display, under the map legend, is the average speed of both drive motors. The motors are controlled using a proportional integral controller which provides input to the motor's pulse width modulators based on the difference between ordered speed and actual speed of each motor individually, as calculated from encoder output. Looking again at the map, it is evident the location estimate function requires improvement. When all the waypoints are entered to bound the desired search area, selecting the Done button exits the Define Area mode. Ensure all desired waypoints are entered prior to selecting Done, as this mode will not be available until reinitializing the AMD system. If waypoints were entered in error, the Clear Last Waypoint button will clear the most recent waypoint. Repeating this process will continue to clear each most recent waypoint in turn. Selecting the Done button returns the interface to the idle state. From here, selecting Scan Area initiates the scan mode and automatic operation of the rover. The scan feature also requires improvement.